If you want to know how to make a mouse tracking movement animation in Wix Studio, you are in the right place. Start with your own website or use a template as I do here in this example. First, I'm going to remove the background image. Then I'm gonna change some text to fit the images I'm gonna insert. Let's type in cocktail bar, then blue cocktail, and enjoy the cocktail. After preparing your website, just click on the plus icon in the top left corner. Then we are going to insert the first image. Click on change image, and here I already prepared two images. One is a gradient one and the other one is a blue cocktail. Usually I use Canva to get or create any graphics. Back to Wix Studio, we are going to select the gradient image and then we click on update. Let's resize it and find a great position for the start animation. Now we need to add the cocktail image, so we are going to click on the plus icon in the top left corner, click on image or drag it inside your page, change image, and also here select the cocktail image and update. Now we are going to resize it as well and find a great position. You have two images now, so check if the cocktail image is on top of the gradient one. If not, just change the order by dragging the image into the right place inside this list. To create and add the mouse tracking animation, just select the first image. We are going to select the gradient one, then open or go to the inspector on the right side, click on animations and effects. Here you can find the mouse effects, click on add and then select track. In the bottom click on adjust animation, and here you can adjust the distance, the pointer velocity, the movement axis, and of course the easing. Adjust it to your needs, play around, and then we are also adding the same animation to our cocktail image. And here I decided to make the track distance lower so the image is not moving a lot. In the end, just click on preview to see how it looks like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.